Welcome to HSPLS Creates. This is Miss Helena for the Hawaii State Public Library System. Today we'll be making this transforming origami star. You'll need 8 pieces of square paper. Step 1. Fold the square in half hot dog style. For step 2, unfold the paper and fold along the diagonal to form a triangle. For step 3, fold the triangle in half to form a smaller triangle. Then, unfold and position your paper so that the center crease is vertical. For step 4, fold down the upper right and upper left corners. Then turn the paper clockwise. For step 5, fold the paper in half from top to bottom. Then, push in or squash in the left corner as shown. Once you've done all that, flatten everything and you'll get a shape that looks like this. Now pause and rewind to make 7 more pieces. You will need 8 pieces total. For step 6, we'll assemble the star. Hold 2 pieces so that the flaps are on the right and the closed edge is on the left. Then take the second piece and place it between the flaps of the first piece. Tuck in the corners as shown. And once connected, your pieces should be able to slide like this. Let's see this again. Take another piece and hold it so that the closed edge is on the left side. Take this piece and tuck it between the flaps of the second piece and fold in the corners. Check to make sure that it can slide and repeat these for the rest of your pieces. For step 7, I'll show you how to complete the star. Same as before, gently take your very first piece and tuck it between the flaps of your very last piece. Now this part's tricky, so be patient. You would then tuck in the corners on either side of that center piece as shown. Once that is completed, you can now gently push and pull your piece to form the star. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.